Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Trading 212 on your mobile device. I'm using iPhone for this, but it's the exact same for Android using the Google Play Store. So as I'm using iPhone, I'm going to go to the App Store, this blue button. As I said, if you're using Android, go to the Google Play Store, and then in the bottom right of the App Store, you've got this search page, and then start typing in the slightly grayed out box, Trading 212. Press search, and then there's usually an advert that I'll skip past, but I'll go to the first organic link, Trading 212 right here, and then it's got a get button on the right hand side of the listing. Press that. Then it's going to ask us to confirm with Face ID before we install, and you can do that by double clicking on the right hand side button pretty fast. And then from there, guys, make sure that you do have a good internet connection before you start downloading. And I'm going to come back once this has finished downloading. And so there we go, guys. Trading 212 has fully downloaded on this iPhone device. And within the App Store, it gives us the option to actually open the app. So what we can do is press the open button, and then that's going to launch the Trading 212 app. And from there, it says it's commission free, investing for everyone. It gives you a little bit of information on the Trading 212 app. From there, the buttons below, open account or log in. I'm going to show you what open account looks like. It's basically going to ask you for your country of residence, your account, some more information on your account, what you want to do within there. And I'll back out of here. If you already have an account and you just want to log in, press the login button, and then it's going to ask you for your email and password. And if you've forgotten your password, you can press the forgot password, type in your email, and get access to your new password on Trading 212. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you've got any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. Thank you.